In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an invoice in PayPal. Duplicating invoices is a fantastic time saver, particularly for recurring clients or repeated services. Instead of building an invoice from the ground up every time, you can simply copy a previous one and make minor adjustments. This process streamlines your billing, reduces potential errors, and helps keep your financial records consistent. It's a truly efficient feature for anyone managing business invoices through PayPal. Let's dive into the steps to make your invoicing much easier. Your first step is to log into your PayPal account. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the Activities section. This is typically found in your main navigation menu, often at the top or side of your dashboard. The Activities page serves as your central record for all transactions, including payments made, payments received, and, importantly, all your generated invoices. It gives you a clear overview of your account's financial history. If you have many transactions, remember that the Activities page offers useful filters by date range, transaction type, or even a specific name or amount, which can help you quickly locate the exact invoice you need. On the Activities page, you'll see a detailed list of your recent transactions. You'll need to scroll through this list or use the filtering options to pinpoint the specific invoice you want to duplicate. It's important to select an invoice that closely matches the new one you're about to create. For instance, if you're rebilling a client for the same monthly service, you would find their most recent invoice for that particular service. Once you've identified the correct invoice, simply click on it. This action will open up the full details of that invoice, allowing you to review all its contents before proceeding to duplicate it. After clicking on your chosen invoice, you'll be viewing its complete details. Now, look for the Duplicate Invoice option. This button is usually prominently displayed, perhaps at the top of the invoice detail page, or sometimes it's located within a More Actions or Options menu. Once you click Duplicate Invoice, PayPal will immediately generate a brand new invoice. This new invoice will automatically be pre-populated with all the data from the original, including client details, item descriptions, quantities, prices, and any previously set terms. This is where you save significant time. Your final task is to simply review this new draft, update any details like the date, invoice number if needed, or adjust item specifics, and then you're ready to send it to your client. And just like that, you've learned how to efficiently duplicate invoices in PayPal. By following these straightforward steps, you can save valuable time and ensure consistency in your billing process. Remember, access your activities, select the right existing invoice, and then simply use the Duplicate Invoice feature. We hope this tutorial helps streamline your invoicing and makes managing your PayPal account even easier.